Welcome all children. Hope you all are well. As the topic we have discussed earlier is packing efficiency in HCP and CCP and in BCC lattices. So today we'll be covering the topic packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. As you all know, in a simple cubic lattice, the atoms are located only at the corners. So total 8 corners we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 spheres at 8 corners. And atoms touch each other along the edges. As you can see, these two atoms are touching each other along the edge. These two atoms are touching each other along the edge. These are also touching each other along the edge. So, if the edge length is A, then we'll find out the radius of this sphere. It is coming out to be R, and the radius of this sphere is again coming out to be R. So, R plus R will give you the edge length, that is equals to A. So, R plus R is equals to 2R. So, A is the edge length which is coming up equal to be 2R. Now, we already know that the volume of a cubic unit cell is equals to A cube, and A is coming out to be equal to 2R. So, 2R cube will be 8R cube. And since a simple cubic unit cell contains only one atom, it contains only one atom. Therefore, the volume of the occupied space is equals to number of atom into volume of the sphere. So 1 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of the occupied space is 1 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. That is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now, the packing efficiency will be equals to this formula, volume of the number of atom one is having. In HCP it is 4, and in BCC it is equals to 2, and in simple cubic unit cell it is 1. So volume of one atom divided by volume of cubic unit cell into 100%. This is the formula for packing efficiency. So volume of one atom is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 is the volume of the volume of the sphere, and divide by volume of cubic unit cell. Volume of cubic unit cell is A cube. A is 2R. 2R whole cube will be 8R cube. So this into 100. So this come out to be 52.4%. So this is the packing efficiency for simple cubic unit cell. Now the conclusion we got after seeing these three videos is, for simple cubic unit cell, number of atom is 1. For BCC, number of atom is 2. And for FCC, it is 4. The radius which is coming out to for simple cubic is 1 upon 2A. For BCC, it is root 3 upon 4A. And for FCC is equals to A upon 2 root 2. This you should learn. Coordination number for simple cubic 6. For body center it is 8. And for FCC it is equals to 12. And packing efficiency in simple cubic 52.4%. For BCC it is 68%. And for FCC it is equals to 74%. So this is all with the topic of packing efficiency in 3 type of lattices. Now the topic we'll be covering is calculation involving unit cell dimensions. So unit cell, you all know, a single unit cell when repeated gives or forms a whole crystal lattice. So if I talk about a unit cell in a cubic crystal, then the edge length of unit cell is equals to A. Edge length is equals to A. If the density of the solid substance is equals to D, we are finding out about the calculations which are involved in a unit cell dimension. If edge length of unit cell is A and the density of the solid substance is D and the molar mass is M. So three things are given. edge length, density and molar mass. Edge length A, density D, molar mass M. So for a cubic crystal, volume of unit cell, you know, unit cell, it is a cube. So volume of cube is equals to A cube. And mass of unit cell, mass, the whole mass of a single unit cell will be equals to the number of atoms in a unit cell into mass of each atom. Simple mathematics. If you need to find out the mass of unit cell, then you'll find out the total number of atoms in unit cell, number of atom in unit cell into mass of each atom. So if the number of atoms in unit cell is equals to Z and mass of each atom in unit cell is equals to small m, then the mass of an atom present in the unit cell, mass of a single atom which is present in the unit cell will be equals to molar mass upon Avogadro number. This is the formula which you get from mole concept. Mass of an atom. To find out the mass of an atom, the formula is molar mass divided by Avogadro number. Now you know the formula for density of, to find out the density of unit cell or to find out general density. It is mass upon volume. So if you are finding out the density of unit cell, it will be equal to mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. So mass of unit cell is equals to Z into M and volume of unit cell is equals to A cube. M is the mass of an atom and M is equals to M upon Na, Avogadro number. So we'll put this value of M over here. So into capital M upon Na, molar mass upon Avogadro number. So to find out the density of unit cell, the formula comes out to be Z into M upon A cube into Na, where Z is the number of atoms in unit cell, capital M is the molar mass and A cube is the volume of unit cell and Na is the Avogadro number. So this is the formula for finding out the density of unit cell. Very important formula from the point of your board exam. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.